Now we ready. Now is the look. Now we're cooking with grease, hot oil in this bitch. So this is the real me that you guys don't get to see. This is who I really am. Hold on. Shaitan, how did you do? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Monique Flemings, and today's video is going to be something different. It's the first video other than a makeup tutorial in a very long time. So today I just wanted to do a unboxing video of a present that I got from my husband. You guys read the title, so let me just go ahead and show you the bag. So here's my present. Happy girl. Happy Monique. So we did go to Coach, and let me just tell y'all a short little story before I get into the showing you of the bag, since I have you here. When we did go to Coach, the woman like recognized my husband. So, you know, I was like... So I was just like, I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing that they recognized my husband when he went in there. I'm like, do you know him because he's here often buying presents for his wife? Do you recognize him because you memorized him because when he was here, you were thinking about how to get him to buy presents for you? I need to know. They did recognize him because he did just recently make like a big purchase there for my birthday, and then again for Valentine's Day, and now again because I just wanted to. I'm a big Coach girl. If you guys ever want to see my Coach bag collection, let me know. Comment below if you guys want to see my Coach bag collection. I think that'd be a really cool, fun video for me to do. If you guys want me to like pull out every bag and then describe like where I got it from, you know, the history behind it, whatnot. I actually think that'd be really, really cool. So I'm actually gonna look for the bag that I got online so I can know the price of it, because I kind of blacked out while I was there. I was in Coachland. I wasn't really like caring about. So I got the Coach 1941. If you guys want to know the official code, that is the FBI agent that it is. It's called the Dinky and Signature Leather. So this is a part of their new line, like new arrivals. I just went to new arrivals, went to the first page. It's like the 5th bag on their first page. My bag online. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like in person, and then I'll tell you guys a little bit of details about it. So look how cute they did. Okay, wait. First of all, she put like a little bow on it. She's cute. Oh, I feel bad now. So I'm about to literally give this to my cats to play with because they love these ribbons that they give us. Like sometimes I just find them around the house. Is that bad that I just find Coach bag ribbons around the house and my cats are playing with them? As you guys know, it comes in a little satchel, so it's real. It's authentic. Make a wipe real quick because I can't. Alright, I bet I still get foundation on it. I got foundation on it. Alright, so I did get the beige version of the bag that I just showed you instead of the burgundy one. I'm more of a nude, like look at my nails. Just look at my lips. Okay? Look at my face. I'm brown. I love brown. I love nude. I love beige. It just brings me sensual feelings. So with their new line, the Coach is now, like the signature is now in the leather. So the way that she described it to me was like their signature is now no longer on cotton or fabric. It's now just going to be right indented inside the leather. That's the new way that they're going to do things from now on if this goes well. So it was already open. I just closed it. But it does turn into a little clutch. You could go like this, girl. Oh! Don't, you know, no photos. Oh, stop, don't photos. Or you can, of course, and I wouldn't have gotten it unless it had turned into a satchel. I loves me a satchel. Like, I needs me a satchel. My purses cannot just be handbags. I'm not that adult yet. I feel like that's like real mature when you just have a shoulder bag, girl. You about your business. Like you can also double it back, like inside, and make it so that it is like a little shoulder clutch if that's what you're looking for. So this is one way that it goes. You know, typical shoulder girl, you know, the college girl, the, you know, Friday night girl. So this is how I would typically be wearing my bag, but of course if you so please, you can double it back. That slide, you just slide it so that, you know, obviously this part is on the inside, but I just like, who has the time for that? I'm trying to show you guys something. And she does double back into a little, you know. Oh, I just got so like sophisticated. Like I just turned into a mom. I feel like I just have to pick up my kids from school now. Tommy, get in the car, girl. I don't know why I have a daughter named Tommy, but that sounds cute. The clutch, like the clutch part of this purse is that it has a wallet inside it. Like damn near. It damn near has a wallet. This is $2.95, I believe. It is the Dinky and Signature leather. So it does come in like burgundy. Comes in this beautiful tan, and it comes in this really like mahogany. It's just black, but it's just like a really jet black. So that was cute too. Let me know, comment below if you like my bag, and if you don't, you know, you don't have to wear it. I did get a little scarf that they did back. How cute is this? This was $150. I think it was on sale. Oh my god, I'm gonna wear this tonight, girl. I'm gonna wear this tonight. Oh my god, it's so silky. This is like 75% silk or something like that. Let me look at it because I might be lying. And it just has the little coach. I don't know if my camera, yeah, my camera's picking it up. Go, 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 go. So I love a scarf. You guys probably don't know that much about me yet because I've been hiding, grabbing shy. But I love me a scarf. My poncho looking. So this is the real me that you guys don't get to see. This is who I really am. Hold on. Shaitan, how did you do? It's kind of bougie, but it is one of those, you know, I just got $150 girl to buy me a little coach scarf, girl, let you know that I'm balling like that, girl. What's the problem? What's the problem? Like, you going to church, I might need to, I feel like I'm Phaedra Parks in this. Like, I feel like, wait. Now we ready. Now is the look. Now we're cooking with grease, hot oil in this bitch. Okay. What do y'all think? I'm sorry, you talking to me? I'm sorry, what? Shaitan. You said premium? Oh, I thought so. Okay. You said Mary J. Blige? I thought so. You said L'Oreal? Just make sure. This is cute. Like, I might just have to change my life into this woman here. This is a persona. This is a alternative ego. This is I might rob you. And you might not see it coming. Because of how bougie I look. That's why I don't judge people by cup. Because this might be a stick up. Hey. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. You said prep, girl? Oh, you said private school? Okay. I thought so too. We're in agreement. We here. So my old Coach bag was this one, which was also like the new line that I got for my birthday. How cute is this? So this is my current bag, and it just has like Coach on the other side. I also have a little wallet to match. My husband's awesome. He's A1. He got me this for my birthday. Girls, this is a Charlie's card. And then you gotta get yourself the sandwiches. I'm not, look. Don't let this Coach fool you. I'm all about saving the coins. Alright guys, I'm going to cut this video out. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, then please make sure you do so. It'll make me really happy to see my channel grow. I'm new here on the tube. And it's been very welcoming and all, but I just would love to see way more people in our community here that we got. So, that's going to be it. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you comment below. If you guys don't care about this stuff, comment below, and I'll see you guys. I'm out.